Hi, my name is Miss Kate and welcome to Fine Motor Friday. If you haven't seen one of these before, please go back to the beginning of the playlist and go through all of our fun videos. But just a brief introduction, I'm one of the OTs who works with the preschool kids, and these are some of the things that we do at school. Today's video is going to be about our pre-writing lines, and it's going to be a fun version of them today. I know we've done them in a lot of different versions with stickers, with tape, with all kinds of stuff. But today we're going to do it with shaving cream. And since I'm trying to make less of a mess, foil. All right, so we are going to get going right now. So you could do this in a cookie sheet if you wanted. I wanted to do mine on the whiteboard that I have here because it's an easel and it's against gravity, which is again fun, but we can do it on a table if you want, no problem. But then I thought, if I'm using white shaving cream on a whiteboard, you might not be able to see as well. If you do want to do that, food coloring is your friend. That's an option. But I think for today, we're just going to use white shaving cream on the foil so it shows up a bit better. So this is something that the kids can help us do, right? We can make a mess together. So I did one of the pre-writing lines already, but the way that we're going to be doing stuff today is by drawing on the shaving cream. So I'm just giving myself a nice amount that we can draw on. Shake, shake, shake. Okay. And then I'm gonna mush it about so that I can draw through it. Okay, so I have my fresh little canvas there to work with. This is something that, sometimes our kids really enjoy getting messy and painting like this. For our kids who don't want to do that, that's okay, because we can draw with our finger, right? Really fun. Or, if we want to work on holding a writing utensil correctly, we can also use a paintbrush. So I did the vertical line there, but you can also do horizontal or anything else. Another option would be a cotton ball. You can go across. So for our students who don't like messy fingers, this is just another option. And I've got both messy fingers now. But another option I think we've done before, we talked about the cotton ball and the clothes peg and a makeshift little paintbrush. If we don't have a paintbrush at home, that's not a problem. We've got other stuff. We'll figure it out. And I can make a circle. And if your child is beyond the pre-writing lines and they're already doing their letters, that's great too. So we can draw, let's see, I'll give myself a blank slate again. There we go. It is a messy activity, but it's really fun. Okay, so if our children are already working on their letters or we're introducing letters to them, foil you can write on with a dry erase pen. So say if we wanted to work on A, I could give them an example of A. I don't know if you can see that really well. An example of A. And then depending on what we're using, we can use a paintbrush, we can use a cotton ball, we can use our finger, but we can write A. And across, and it is really fun. Or maybe just I'm having a great time, the kids have a great time when we do it at school. But it's just a fun multi-sensory way where you can work on letters, you can work on lines and shapes. And if you don't have a whiteboard at home, or, we can tape this to the wall. That's not a problem. And you can tell that it's not really falling off. That hasn't been an issue that I've had. And shaving cream isn't really sticky, so I've just wiped my hands and no muss, no fuss. But yeah, I tried to keep it quick today, but just a different way to work on our pre-writing lines and our letters in a multi-sensory kind of fun way. Please let me know if you have any questions. As per usual, all activities should be supervised directly by an adult. In this case, because I think we'd make a big mess if we played by ourselves. And obviously we don't want to eat the shaving cream because it is not delicious. But anyway, I hope everyone has a great weekend. Stay safe. Bye.